collected. Okay, now I opened the another one folder. This is my drive collection. Okay, this is my drive collection. Okay, take anyone in the particular my drive having lot of PDF already linked, already stored into my computer or laptop. Okay, how to redrive the stored PDF into your laptop from your drive. Okay, now go to the plus symbol, green signal plus symbol. Okay, now you move to green signal plus symbol, store copy of file. Okay, now you get the store copy of file. Okay, are you clear? Are you able to understand? You go to plus symbol, green plus symbol, store copy of file. Store copy of file. Go and search your area. Now move into D. Now I want to lecture preparation. From today lecture, reference management, working articles. In this aspect of dynamic capital structure. What do you mean by dynamic capital structure? These are the article I have already collected and stored into in my drive. Okay, these are the information. Select all the files. Okay, from what do you want to select all the files? Simply Control A, select all the files, or otherwise simply track it, and the first file you click, and another one simply down arrow, and press shift and click. Press shift and click. Select all the items. Okay, now gets opened. What the process is going on? Simply first copy your PDF file into Zotero, then your Zotero information converted into reference. Wait and see. We have so many items, so that simply having some byte of memory is there, so that simply access everything. N number of file is simply drive and access for everything. Another 10 minutes I will give given for supporting to you. Lot of PDF is available. Is you are collected today night. Is simply work with your PhD topic and collected for all the review of literature aspects. Your research literature is completed, but the problem is how to redrive the information from the PDF into documentation. Another 10 minutes I will given to you. Okay, simply this process is move into my drive. Okay, on topic I will go. Okay, before that you check it the capital structure, all the content almost you have some snapshot is there now. There is no availability of PDF. You have some content having the PDF. Okay, some content having the PDF. Simply to unlock the particular one, simply to having the PDF. Okay, now I am working for this particular aspects in this area. Okay, now I am what I am done with the in this aspects. Now opened the corporate characteristics and leverage evidences in Gulf countries. Okay, now opened the text. Now I am using the PDF. Opened the particular PDF. I don't want to use the Adobe PDF reader. If you have Adobe PDF reader, some difficulty is there. So that I wanted to using that Foxit reader. The information is here. Foxit reader is very useful for researcher aspects. Okay, simply download it for the Foxit reader. Now I give the link for everyone. It is a free software. No need to give. Foxit Reader. Foxit Reader. The PDF reader is very, very helping to you. Reading PDF. Reading PDF. Reading PDF. Okay. Now we move to how to read the PDF. Okay, another session, how to read the PDF into the PDF Foxit PDF reader. This is the Foxit PDF reader. Only one PDF reader I will be installed here. If you want to install now, so that simply go to get into PC. Get into PC site. Get into PC. Simply Google search that content. You from the search button, give the Foxit reader. Foxit reader, or otherwise don't worry, I will give link also. Nothing to worry. I will give link also. Full version is available. This is called a full version, is no pirated version. Full version is available. Get into PC. You have all the kind of software you have learned. Okay. What is the magic of Foxit reader? Now, please to see. Okay. Now I am opened in the particular wallet Al Ahad. Okay. Now, what is the prime source of you? You are pleased to read at least the abstract. Okay. You are anything you have, please read for the abstract. Abstract is enough for entire entire things you have. What is the purpose, design, findings, practical implication, and all those aspects. Okay. Now, what is our problem is how to read content information into the our word format. How to these are the available content. So simply to read. Okay, what are the importance we have? Okay, capital structure. These are the inside references is available. Finally, I will give the inside references. Okay, what is here? Capital structure, around how the mix of capital structure and equity having impact a value. Simply select the particular that one and using the highlight word. The highlighter is called simply using what are the important points you have in the particular session. Okay. Simply identified. These are the things simply identified. What are the importance we have? Okay. What is my question is, we have lot of information in these aspects. You highlighted everything from the conclusion area also, from the randomly selected for everything from the conclusion area. Okay. Everything is selected. Okay. Now another one magic from the Foxit reader. Okay. Select, you go to command, the second option. Okay. From the home, and the second option is available, summary of the content. Okay. Now you make it clear, from the command menu, you go to summarize command, already selected. Okay. Now you select for the summary command. You make it no need for anything. Okay. Simply large from the author itself enough. Please to uncheck. Normally is checked page containing no comments. Page containing no comments. Simply disabled. Simply disabled the content. Okay. Now make it. These are the things you are highlighted. You are already highlighted. All the content we are properly marked. Another one PDF. Another one PDF. Okay. Now what I am done is select from the home, select column, select text and image. Now get selected. Simply give for Control A. Control A means select all the text in the particular PDF. Okay. Go to Word. Simply open to the new document. Simply pasted it. That is called you pasted it. Control V. Simply pasted in a control. Sorry. not properly selected. Simply right click, copy from the particular text. Okay. Now go to document, right click, and keep the text only whatever they need. What do you want? You have to give your sources of the document. For example, you are selected content will be easily linked to the okay. Now unwanted information, simply to delete it. Okay, you organize it with the capital structure, simply organize it with everything into a content. For example, if content of the paragraph, no, you simply examine all those things. These are my practices. That is, I wanted to express into you. You are a very precious hero you are. So that is simply collected. For example, to who want this, simply end it. Is our from the top of the aspects, you have the author detail. Okay, the first one is there, but we are simply deleted it. Okay, this information available. These are the author detail. Okay, these are the author detail is available. Okay, simply copy it from the begin. Okay, now copy now. Select text only. You give the text only. You simply give the all those things, and et al being italicized, so that described. Okay, this author is described. What do you call it here? Okay, this is called a new item. Okay, you have simply cited it in your author detail. You have the menu. You can okay. Our finals touch we have. Okay, our author and here we are provided. Go to file, home, insert, layout, references, mailing, review, viewing, and Zotero. Zotero is already interconnected with your Word also. Okay, you go to Zotero menu. Okay, everyone please try to understand. Zotero menu is available. From the Zotero menu, add and citation. Okay, you are give the add and citation. This add and citation, which citation do you want? APA style. Okay, previously I told that our business problem always in the APA style. Okay, our problem is select for the APA style. Okay, select APA style, give simply OK. Give simply OK. Okay, our cited references in the style of Zotero. Okay, simply is open. Nothing to from our first for APA style. Other time simply opened for one sticky note from the Zotero. Okay, what is the author? Al Ahadal. Al Ahadal et al. 2020. Simply type the name of the author. Al Ahadal. AHTAL. Okay, is it now? Corporate governance and leverage evidences from Gulf countries. Okay, simply cited and give it the enter. Enter now, green signal is going on. Now green signaled. Okay, now I am give the one reference type aspects, so that now go to again go to the Zotero and simply insert bibliography. Insert bibliography na. Sorry, the cursor is blink here. Okay, from the last section of the cursor, you insert here. Go to Zotero, insert bibliography. Your bibliography is also inserted. This is what the entire thesis of your having. Okay, now again another one things I have to done. Okay, this side. Okay, next one. You can choice it with these are the previously done. Okay, what is the previously done? my drive is collected n number of article now, so that this article is cited. Everything is properly done. Go to my drive, check the my drive is properly done, everything. Okay, done. Okay, simply open it any one of the particular topic. This article from into my drive. This article from the my drive. Okay, simply collect everything. For example, this is called purpose. Simply to highlight and some other concept also. Okay. First, you go through it all the aspects of particular article. Which content do you want? Okay, that content also I will tell. One preview of my own research article. Okay, simply done. From the conclusion area, okay, conclusion area, some content we got to copied based on the result obtained from. Okay, now theoretically picked our theory. Okay, open. Super. Simply highlighted it. Go to command summary. Okay, go to command summary. Simply command it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third one you simply give it properly done. Okay, we ensure all pages containing no comments disabled. Okay, simply is ticked item, but you have simply simply disabled format. Okay, now another one summary of content is available. Simply collecting it. Simply Control A, select all the item. Okay, simply you put it here, or otherwise. Okay. This is some alignment aspects. Okay, don't worry. Simply left alignment so that everything content properly done. Okay, this author content simply done. Okay, no need to. Everything is cut it down. Okay. Simply aligned your content. For your precious time, I will be working in a lot. This is very important. Okay, simply done everything. Simply add author detail. What is the author from here? Rinhard Lee et al. Okay, Rinhard, so only 2 author is there. Okay, simply click. Next only simply to give it the sum. Okay, now the time for inserting particular article end of the now. Okay, now end of now the Rinhard. Go to Zotero, add citation. Only 2 tools is available. Add citation. If give the add citation, the dialog menu is appear. REINHARD. Okay, get selected. Okay, give simply enter. The particular content will be done. Okay, simply give your references. Reference automatically gets reference. So it gets incited now, so that automatically the reference aspects your cited will be properly done. Okay, this aspect you have completed from your study. Okay, another one example I will given to you. This is the last example. One of the example, and then before that you want to copy the content summary now, one preferences will be adjusted. That preferences, please to know that I will be explained in the particular one. Simply go to file and preferences. File, go to preferences. How the highlights section copy into command. How the highlighted text into copy into command, so that you are adjusted into the preferences. Be adjusted into the preferences in the commanding area. What n number of area is there? Please select the command area. Please ensure that these are the documentation. The next one is very important. From the marking area. from the marking area, always username, login account author. Copy selected text, highlight, struggle, underline, strike out the command and pop-ups. This concept is there, so that be selected for this concept. This concept is very, very important. Okay, copy selected text into highlight. If you are select the text na, directly move into highlight section. Okay, select, normally disabled. Make it clear, normally disabled. You should ensure that enable. Give it okay. And then if you are selected any item na, so that it will be added to command. It will be added to command. That is called give the highlights na, so that give the highlight sticky note. This is the sticky note, so that that sticky note is always covered for commanding portion. If you are converted into commanding is properly done. Okay, how the process is how to convert our PDF into word. That is called a sticky note concept. Okay, now I will show it to the final session. One article, semi-finished article, I have shown it for you. How our references make it clear. The previous process are very, very important process. Okay, now gets adjustment, dynamic adjustment of capital structure on semi-finished article we have. If there is no article content having incited references, now gets incited. Okay, go to Zotero, now get incited. APA style. Okay, now opened from the Zotero citation. Okay, give it any author. For example, Khan. This concept is provided Khan and Jain. If already is sourced from the Khan and Jain. Okay. Now another one author name also. RD. H. Simply give the H na, so that so many Haron. This concept and another one person. This is Reinhard. Reinhard. Okay. What is it? We have some author name. So that yes serial. We have many author names. So that simply added for this concept. Okay, the three authors are incited. You know this? In this content, three authors are incited. Okay, if you want n number of authors, you have simply added to the references. Go to Zotero and give it your citation. Simply put your author name. This no author is available now. Firstly, you give it properly done. Go to Zotero. It's not reference. Okay, now it's author. Another one concept. Some of a few authors you have. Wherever you want to touch with the author name, simply to insert it. These are the books name that is called not properly done. Particular author. This is called. Some of the references is not properly done. Go to Zotero. Capital one few articles only. Okay, this is done. Some of the article is not properly done, and already we have some collection. Okay, you have inputted from wherever you want. Okay, from this area, review of literature, n number of citation you are provided. You have simply go to Zotero, and already we collected. Zotero, simply give the name. Okay, B, E. Okay, any other title or author name, whatever maybe you give. Okay, review of item you have selected, and another aspects from the hypothesis development we are providing this literature support. Okay, this is section also you give it for your references. Go to Zotero, add citation. Some retrieving process is going on, so that simply provided at least two digit of character. Okay, simply have. Okay, done. Simply enter. The final process is called enter. Okay, you have already added. Go to reference. Take 2 minutes. This session will be fine. For article making purpose is very useful process. Okay, you touch it. In this aspect, say you have continue all this hypothesis development area. Wherever you want, you fix it your article reference in title. This is magical reference. For example, if the interpretation side, this particular site now, this particular result, for example, this this concept is inlined with okay, inlined with this is aligned with is aligned with some more author name from the citation. Okay, some author name. Really, if you are doing a real research now, so that you will cross check all these aspects. Then simply you want to now simply add further references. And nowadays, our support is hypothesis development. In the summary of result section also, some supported literature are included in the recent literature point of view, so that everything is properly done. Finally, you will give the references. From the last references one, you go to bibliography and simply click the bibliography, and all text will be properly done. All text will be properly done. This is what entire alignment purpose is done. Okay, everything is properly done. Simply give it one line space. Simply okay. Now our properly done with our reference area. Okay, if you want one of article, you have to send one hover. Set a IEEE format. This format is entirely different, but your article is prepared for this APA style. Don't worry, you make it convert APA style into IEEE format is very easy. Okay, go to Zotero, document preferences. You are already APA style. You done. Okay, what is the IEEE type of reference style? Is numbered one. Okay, go to numbered one. Okay, give it IEEE format. Everything is easily converted into IEEE format. Is the process is completed. Now you check it 1, 2, 3 format, IEEE format. Okay, you go to the reference section area where we are cited into the references. Okay, now 8, 12, 13, 10. These are the reference. Okay, whatever you want number of style easily converted. That is why. So that it is very useful, very easy for working with Zotero. Everything is a problem, so that you make it confused, so that you make it clear. Everything is a problem, so that we are believe that we are done with the, we are completed with the problematic one that gets confused. That is get confused. You will be clear about the information of your done. Okay. If you want any other doubt, please to ask me for your aspects. Okay. Don't worry, asking from the questions now or later now, you can be asked with we are provided for email ID and phone number. You can ask any number.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am,
Sir,
please.
Sir, I have, is there